In this question, we have to determine the steady state error for unit ramp input for the system which is a second order system. Now in the figure it is given that omega n equal to 5 radians per second. If we see, this length is equal to omega n. So first we will write down omega n equal to 5 radians per second, and this angle theta is theta, which is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so we will have zeta, which is the damping factor, is equal to cos theta is equal to cos 60, that will be 0.5. Now the transfer function that is given to us is a closed loop transfer function for a second order system. Now to find the steady state error for a unit ramp input, we have to find kV, and the inverse of kV is the steady state error for a unit ramp input. Now how do we find kV? We know the formula. We know the formula. kV is equal to, okay, before that, for applying the value, for determining the value of kV, we need the open loop transfer function, but in the question we are provided with the closed loop transfer function. From that closed loop transfer function, we can determine the open loop transfer function intuitively. So it will be g of s is equal to omega n square by s square plus 2 zeta omega n s. Okay, so there are some methods for determining open loop transfer function from closed loop transfer function, but intuitively, without using any method, you can directly say, okay, you can check this by applying the formula for determining the closed loop transfer function, okay, with this open loop transfer function, this one. Okay, now kV is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into g of s, so that will be omega n square divided by s in the denominator will be getting cancelled, so it will be s plus 2 zeta omega n. Now applying s equal to 0, we get omega n divided by 2 zeta. So ESS is equal to, for ramp input, is equal to 1 by KE, so that will be equal to 2 zeta by omega n. So that is equal to 2 into 0.5 divided by 5, that is equal to 0.2. So the steady state error for a unit ramp input for this particular system is 0.2.